develop apps would consider these possibilities and see if there is a business for them. Because why Nokia is doing this is we believe that what's good for the ecosystem is good for the company. And that is kind of the leading star of the work that we do as managing with the communities. And then if you want to know more, so then you can scan them, search them, and since we have ideas here from 209 countries and autonomous regions, so and in total some 12,000. So then here you can see that you can scan them based on categories and based on countries, for example. So you can check what kind of ideas are. So if you are a developer, please go and check it out. And then also you can see the finalists and the winners as such. So this is what community manager does. It helps to find the needle from the haystack. And who is interested? The jury is interested. So we've done some crowdsourcing challenges where we've also used wisdom of the crowds, but we have had some unfortunate experiences. As a community manager, we've noticed, for example, that results are often being gamed. So you can quite easily generate their, use an email generator which generates fake emails, and these fake emails can be programmed to register, to sign up to the service, and then suddenly an idea gets 600 votes just by accident. So this is something that I'm strongly discussing about, how can we use the wisdom in the crowds better when selecting the ideas. It works better if we find their, let's say, 12 best ideas. So pick your best one, your favorite one out of a dozen. So that makes more sense. But having said that, so there is some challenges. Then we've been hearing yesterday, for example, the issue of what motivates people to participate in idea crowdsourcing. And we've studied it quite a lot. I might have not been having it here, but the idea is really quite simple. It's about intrinsic motivation. We don't have big money here. Actually, I've said that I don't wanna spoil the community with big bucks. Yes, you can win theirs. For example, the ideators are very appreciated when we invited the three best ideators to Nairobi, Kenya, for the Open Innovation Africa Summit. They met the relevant people, they could network there, they could promote their idea. Or that we have had some competitions where great Nokia devices has been the prizes. Or the most valued one, and we've been doing some research with Stanford University and Imperial College, and recently also with ESADE, Spain, about what motivates people to participate in Ideas Project. Ideas Project runs also in Chinese, so we've also tried to understand, what differs the motivation. The greatest prize so far, we found out, has been that the ideator was invited to a pre-concepting workshop at Nokia location where our advanced design team is working, and he participated in a 3-day brainstorming workshop. That was the biggest reward they ever wanted. So following a bit of the steps that we heard here before, how did we ramp up and how did we get these great results? So in 17 months, we really found out, what's going on, that we have 22,000 community members, and now somebody is really disturbing me.